Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'll show you how we can change the unit of measurement in SketchUp. It's very simple. First, I'll also show you how we can quickly measure something in your project. We use the shortcut T, which is for the tape measure tool. We can click on a starting point and snap to or click, right? We recommend just snapping to the secondary point. And in the bottom right corner, we'll have the measurement. So in this case, this sideboard, right, it's 73 centimeters here. The unit being shown is centimeters. In SketchUp, we can choose if the unit will be centimeters, millimeters, or meters. The most commonly used unit is meters, right? Because it has to do with AutoCAD as well, you see. In AutoCAD, we use meters. So to change it, how do we do it? We can go to the top tab, Window, then go to Model Info. In Model Info, there'll be a list of items on the left. We go to Units, okay? Then check if the format is decimal, very important, and here are the chosen units. So in this case, it's in centimeters. I'll change it to meters, right? And one thing I highly recommend to my students is to also change the precision, okay? Precision sometimes comes with only 2 zeros, right, after the decimal point, and that prevents us from measuring, for example, the millimeters of the project. So I come here to precision and usually change it to 3 places after the decimal point, okay? Once that's done, I can close it, no need to click OK or anything, and we can again, with the tape measure tool, measure the specific point. In the bottom corner then, right in the bottom, right corner, it will now be 0.73 meters, right? Remembering that the unit also, here in the top corner, it may or may not appear, and the path is the same. I can come here to Window Model Info, also in Units. I always recommend keeping display units format enabled here so you can know which unit you're working with in your file, okay? Once modified, this unit will stay in the file even if I close and open it again. So, all good. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next lessons. Thank you very much.